In this LashJoy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a manual removal. So sometimes when you may be doing a manual removal could be when your client comes in for a refill and she's got some overgrown lashes. It could be if a client has had an allergic reaction. Instead of using the cream, you would have to manually peel off all of the lashes. Or if your client is coming in for a full set and she's only got a few lashes left remaining and you don't want to break out the remover cream. So between the tape borders I've created, I've got some classic lashes, I've got a pre-made fan which I'll be showing you how to peel off, and I'll also show you how to peel off a handmade volume fan. The first manual removal I'll show you is for a classic lash. So we've got a nice lash attached there. It's an 8mm 0.10 lash, it looks like, in a C-curl. So grab the extension, fold it towards yourself so that the natural lash pokes out the back. Grab the very tip of the natural lash and peel side to side, just like that. Take off that leftover adhesive residue. Next up here we've got a pre-made volume fan. So you can do it the same way. Grab the very top of the fan, try and have that natural lash poking out the back. This one's a little bit trickier to get. Trying to find that natural lash, here we go, and just peeling it off to the side. Next one, we've got a classic lash here. So what you want to do is hold that natural lash really still, pinch off to the side. So you grab the very base of the extension, hold the natural lash really still, and just pinch that right off. So we have another natural lash attached to a classic 0.10. So if we peel it from the base, which is my preferred method, hold the natural lash really still, pinch the very base of the extension just off to the side, just like that. I'll show you again. So this lash is really grown out. Hold the natural lash nice and still, pinch the extension off to the side. That's how you do your manual removal, so it's not too tricky. This one here, we've got a handmade fan. So we'll hold the natural lash nice and still. I might just tape it to the side so it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. Push this over here. So if ever you're having trouble getting to the base, just grab the extension, just pull it away from the skin just slightly. So it's easier to grab that very base without pinching the skin, and pinch off to the side. So sometimes it takes a few goes. Just like that. Okay, one more lash. So this one I'll peel from the top, grab the extension, grab the natural lash, pull side to side. And those are the LashJoy methods for manually peeling apart your classic, volume and pre-made fans.
The winner of Best Business Performance, LashJoy.